Hello, my name is John Ferreira, and I am the Director of Music Ministries at St. Paul Lutheran Church in Sarasota, Florida. I'm going to be coming into your home each week via this blog and talk about one or two things about the upcoming worship services. I want to talk about this week, seeing this is my very first week doing this, about our bell choir. The bell choir we have at St. Paul Lutheran is amazing. It's made up of a lot of talented ringers, and because of the COVID virus, we have not been able to get together to play. Reason is that the bell choir usually uses tables. They are very close together. They have to be in sync with each other. So it really is going to be very difficult to do that in that little space. In fact, we can't do it in that space. So what we have developed at St. Paul Lutheran is a bell quartet plus me. So that's really more than a bell quartet. Don't tell anybody. Across the communion area of the altar, of the chancel area. And each player will have only two bells, their music stand and their music, no tables. They will be 6 feet away from each other, and they will wear masks as they play. They will be doing a couple of hymns this coming Sunday. You will be excited to know that they're going to be using a full octave of handbells. This is a handbell. This is one of the medium-sized handbells. You can see it's made of plastic for the handle and brass for the bell itself. When the bell ringers play, you will see that they will wear a black glove. That's not to make them look fashionable. That's to make them protect the bell. The oils from our hands very often gets on the brass, and if that continues, it actually pits them. And when a bell is pitted, the pitch is changed. So you will see 4 of our best bell ringers up there playing with gloves on. It's going to be an exciting Sunday for us at St. Paul Lutheran. Please be sure to tune in at 9:30 a.m. on Sunday and listen to Worship from St. Paul as we make a joyful noise.